In this video, we're going to take a look at my Infusion review. So let's get into it right after this. Hey, and welcome to my Infusion review. I'm ronnierokksmith with USA Digi and ronnierokksmith.com, and also coined the Video Rockstar Marketer. And if you're into learning about new marketing products and how to make money online and all of that cool stuff, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so that you don't miss a thing. And be sure to stick around to the end of the video where I'm going to be revealing my exclusive bonuses for this particular product. Okay, so the first thing I need you to do is look in the video description for the first link and click that link. It's going to take you to my bonus page here, and you simply scroll down until you see the countdown timer here and click any one of these Get Infusion Now buttons. There will be a few on the page. So once you do that, that's going to lock in your bonuses that you're going to see on this bonus page later on in the video inside the Warrior Plus platform, where you can get access to after you check out. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to find those bonuses towards the end of this video as well. So let's go ahead and get started with Infusion. So what is Infusion exactly? So in a nutshell, it's basically an affiliate marketing training course. It's going to show you how to get sales doing high tickets instead of just low ticket products. Okay, so this is a product by Mark Barrett and James Fawcett. And the main training in here is by James Fawcett. So he's going to show you how he tacked on an extra 500 to 1,000 commissions to his regular email marketing campaigns. So it's a really good product. And the one thing that I like about it is that it's a little bit different than most high ticket products that come out. Usually it's a type of software that comes out, and it's kind of like, okay, send people to these pages and everything in there is done for you and filled out, and you just set it up. But in this case, it's training, and he's going to actually show you what to write in the emails. He's going to actually give you a sequence that you can import into Aweber or GetResponse, whatever you're using there. So it's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and check out the sales page first. Okay, so the sales page reads, revealed our fail-proof high-ticket income system that never fails us. So set it up once, continue profiting, no hard work. So it's making them 1 to 2K daily in high-ticket sales, commissions passively. So here's how you can replicate their success within 20 minutes. All right, so go ahead and read the bullets if you want to. Check out the video here by Mark Barrett. He's gonna show some screen earnings and stuff of what they're making with these high tickets and stuff, which I agree with these high-ticket selling systems, because think about it. If you're just generating like $7 here, $10, $13 there, it's going to take you a hell of a lot more that you have to sell to generate just one commission sale that equals to a high ticket like 500 to 1,000 per commission. So think about that. What would you rather be doing? Trying to sell something all day for $7 and maybe come out with a couple of $100, or sell 1 to 2 per month and make $1,000 easy, right? Let's go ahead and continue on the sales page here. So here's some screen earnings you can check out. Go ahead and read everything on the page, guys. Make sure you understand it. It's pretty simple. I just discussed what is this all about. Okay, some more screen earnings here. So I'm just going to scroll down to the bonuses so we can check that out. Okay, so here's the extra bonuses that you're going to be getting. Bonus number 1 is a little black book. Okay, this is a $197 value. Bonus number 2 is going to be Phoenix offers. This is a $97 value. Bonus number 3 is free ClickBank training. This is a $297 value. And bonus number 4 is free access to their Facebook group, which is a $197 value. Okay, you have a 30-day money-back guarantee right here, which most products do have, except for mine. I do a 14-day. Okay, so I'm going to scroll all the way down. Let's see. Okay, I think the FAQs are not at the bottom as they usually are. I think they're up here. So if you have any questions. So here's the FAQ section right here. So it's usually at the bottom, but in this case, it's kind of towards the middle. Okay, so that's pretty much all I wanted to go over in the sales page here. So yeah, so again, it's by Mark Barrett. This is Mark Barrett in the VSL video. And let me go ahead and show you down here. This is James Fawcett. So James Fawcett is going to be doing most of the training, and you're going to have a welcome video in the members area So let's go ahead and check that out now. Okay, so inside the Infusion members area here, you have dashboard support and log out at the top up here. You have the welcome video here. This is Mark Barrett, so he's going to tell you a little bit about the training and all of that stuff and what you come to expect inside here. So the first module is the case study. So this is high ticket case study. This is by James Fawcett, and all the rest of the videos in here is going to be James. So the second module is finding and promoting high tickets. Okay, so you're going to learn how to find good high ticket offers. This is good stuff here. How to effectively promote high ticket products. Okay, so this is what I was talking about, like with most products that come out, they don't really show you like how to do it. They just say, you know, get traffic to the offers and it'll sell themselves, but you still have to do things like writing emails, building a follow-up sequence. So you're gonna learn to do that stuff in here. So that's why I really like this product, and it's a little bit different than the usual ones that I review pertaining to high ticket stuff. Okay, so the next video here is building your list building funnel, how to write high ticket email swipes, another good training in there, setting up your infused follow-up campaign. Like I said, you have to learn all these things so that you can make commissions. And this is what I was talking about. It's good training in here because you need to understand and how to implement this stuff, because you can't just write basic emails and expect to close high tickets. You have to say specific things in there to get these prospects to act, because this is a lot more money they're going to be spending out of their pockets rather than like a $13 product. Okay, so it's important that you understand and know how to do it the right way, and he's going to show you in here. So the next module is best high ticket programs to promote. So he's going to show you about John Thornhill's program in here and how to promote it. So that's good training right there, and some other high ticket programs in here as well. So the next module is qualifying high ticket prospects with chatbots. So let's take a look in here. The first video is how to qualify your high ticket prospects, and the next video is going to show you chatbot sequencing. So this is some good training as well. He's going to show you how to implement chatbots into your high ticket selling sequence. And this is important. If you're on Facebook, you can use ManyChat, is what he's going to be showing you in here. You can use this free, guys. You can set ManyChat up free. So he's going to show you a sequence in here. He's using the pro version, but you can do this with the free version as well. All right. The reason he's using the pro version is because he don't like the ads showing up on the bottom, but you can get away with the free version doing this stuff, okay? Because I use the free version myself. So go ahead and check that out. It's good stuff there. Okay, the next module is traffic sources for high ticket. So you're gonna learn pay per click traffic on how to get that on demand and how to use Facebook as well. Okay, and then your bonuses is gonna be in here. These are the 4 vendor bonuses that are on the sales page, and they usually in the ClickFunnels, all the vendors usually have an upsell button module in here, but I don't see that. But I'm sure throughout somewheres in here they have the upgraded buttons, probably under some videos or whatnot for you. Okay, so before we leave the members area, there's also this button right here where you can get some live training. So once you get in here, it's going to be a webinar, limited seating available, as you can see here. If you want to check that out, 10K per month workshop, go ahead and click that and sign up. So that's going to conclude the members area. So let's go ahead and take a look at the upsells. Okay, so this is the basic funnel, guys. You have $12.95 on the front end. Okay, the first upgrade is going to be $37. The second is $197. The third upgrade is $47. The fourth is $197, and the fifth upgrade is $97. So let's go ahead and take a look at this in better detail. So here's the front end Infusion, where we just came out of the members area. So we pretty much went over the members area, and this is what it contains. So you're pretty much going to learn how to generate these commissions between $500 and $1,000 the way that James does it. So that is the front end. Okay, so upgrade number 1 is infused money pages, of course, and this is the $37 upgrade here. So you're going to get the exact pages that they use to convert their subscribers into high ticket customers. Okay, so as they state here, it takes a lot of time to build these pages. So if you want to skip all of that and go ahead and get it done for you to start getting buyers immediately, go ahead and pick this upgrade up. Okay, so this is the Done or You package. I'm not sure what's in here. I'm not sure if it's opt-in pages, email strategies. They don't really go into detail, but it's pretty much a Done for You package. And this one is for $197. Okay, so upgrade 3 here, cash automators. This is $47. And what they did here is you're going to be getting higher conversions by using these Done for You high ticket campaigns. Okay, so it's going to be, I'm pretty sure it's for your emails, right? For your autoresponders. So that's what that's all about. out. Okay, upgrade number 4 here is unlimited traffic, and that is $197. And what you're going to be doing probably is putting your pixels on their sales pages so you can generate some free traffic to your offers. All right, you can retarget those people. Upgrade number 5 is Infusion license rights. Let's have a look at that. It's for $97. So that's the Infusion license rights. So you're basically going to be able to sell it as your own and keep 100% commissions throughout the whole funnel. All right, so let's go ahead now and take a look at the bonuses that I have. Okay, so we're here on my bonus page. So as you can see, the launch started Sunday, October the 11th at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it's going to end Thursday, October 16th at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is a little bit different here. They usually ended at 11:59, but that's fine. So it's a 5-day launch, guys. So hurry up and get this at the time of making this video. It's the 14th, right? October 14th today, so you don't have much time left to get this before the price goes up. Make sure there's time left on this countdown timer here so you can lock in my bonuses and click any one of these Get Infusion Now buttons. So let's go ahead and scroll down and see what the bonuses I have. So all my bonuses are basically video training. Some of them are ebooks when I put in here, but usually they're all video trainings unless I state otherwise. And these are my custom bonuses that I create myself just for you guys. And you won't find these bonuses anywhere else, okay? Bonus number 1 is secret hacks. This is video training on some awesome hacks to increase your online commissions. You're gonna discover a secret YouTube code that hardly no one knows about that stops related videos from showing. You're gonna learn this one hack that instantly builds you a buyer's email list, even if you just do affiliate marketing. You're gonna discover this one tool that can instantly boost your conversions through the roof. And you can use this one thing to double your online earnings by knowing exactly what is converting and what is not. Bonus number 2 is autoresponder sequences and automations. So you're going to learn the secrets behind email marketing and how to set up a money funnel on autopilot. So in this bonus, you're going to learn how I have my stuff set up in GetResponse and how I use automation. And it's pretty cool. You could use this. Now, I don't have high tickets in the ones that I'm going to show you, but you can pretty much implement this technique that I use and use it for high tickets as well, okay? Bonus number 3 is the spreading goodwill system. So this is video training on a system you can use to 10x your list building literally overnight. So you're going to discover an easy way to put your list building on steroids by using this simple spreading goodwill system. You're going to discover 2 things you need to do on a squeeze page to get guaranteed subscribers. You're going to discover this one platform that you can use to help you start building your email list and get instant buyers. And you can use this one trick that I show you in this training to gain the visitors' trust so they want to buy from you. And bonus number 4 here is Infusion 10 extra bonuses. So you're going to get Phoenix front end, the breakout code front end, boost your online sales, Facebook ads, buyer click Rolodex, 30 ways to get free traffic, the affiliate marketing blueprint, list building expert, the newbie's guide to internet success, double your traffic, okay? And all of these bonuses are worth $686 here. And you're also going to be getting the 4 vendor bonuses that were shown on the sales page. Okay, so act now and you'll be guaranteed these bonuses worth $1,675 of extra value when you order through my link today. So make sure, again, there's still time on this timer depending on when you're watching this video, and go ahead and click any one of these orange buttons that say Get Infusion Now to lock in these bonuses, and you'll be getting them inside the back end of Warrior Plus. So that's going to take us to the next step. Where do we find the bonuses and how do we get them? Okay, so let me show you. You scroll down on the bonus page here, and here is how to find your bonuses in Warrior Plus or JVZoo. In this case, it's on Warrior Plus. So step 1, you're going to create a Warrior Plus account if you don't have one already. Then once you check out, you can log into your Warrior Plus account, click on this drop-down tab up here in the corner, then click Purchase History. It's going to take you to step 2 to the next page. You're going to look for Infusion. You're going to click that link. That's going to take you to the final step where you can access your purchase. Okay, and look for the blue button that says Access Affiliate Bonuses, and that's where you're going to get all the bonuses that we just went over on this page. So go ahead and leave me some comments on what you think about this product, and if you think that you can use this, and I think you can if you want to make big ticket commissions. So go ahead and like, share, and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope that it helped you make an educated decision on whether you think this product is a good fit for your business. And go ahead and check out the free training that I have in the description, and as well as some advanced training in there in a webinar in the description as well you can find, okay? If you like these bonus pages that I just showed you right here, there's a Commission Gorilla link. That's what I use. So you can go ahead and click that in the description as well and pick that up. And if you do, go ahead and send me a receipt and I'll send you my bonus page code where you can use the bonuses like I do here. Not the bonuses, but the template, the page template. Okay, you have to put your own bonuses in there. And you'll find all that information inside the description as well. So that's going to wrap up my Infusion review. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm Ronnie Rocksmith with USA Digi and ronnierokksmith.com. And guys, happy marketing.